This is horrible. This is where it hit Matt's Lambo because he got bumped from behind. Right here. This one's total. This one's both of them. Yeah, for sure. Both of them big. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Day 2, Corsa Rally. Good times. Today's a beautiful day, so we're gonna head over to Prestige Imports for lunch shortly. Go downstairs, check out the cars, see what it looks like out there. So it's a beautiful day. Let's hop in this elevator. Press our little button. Boom! Head downstairs, meet up with everyone. Supposed to be there around 10 o'clock, so it's about 10 minutes or so. So we'll meet you guys out there, alright?
I'm like, I don't want to wipe this down right now.
I got 15 minutes to do it.
It's a beautiful day. Look at this. We got blue skies. I love it. Blue skies, fast cars. That's what's going on today. Heading over to Prestige, guys. Everybody's cars early in the morning. Somewhat clean. Somewhat clean. We got some missing cars. I think some guys went to get some gas. It's looking good, yeah. Look at this, man. That's what I'm talking about. Take care of the ride, baby. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're heading up to Prestige. Gonna have a good time. Drive out there. I think we're gonna go up Collins or Ocean View, maybe down on South Beach as we head up to Prestige for lunch. So I'll meet you guys up there. It's gonna be a good time. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. It's the Exhaust Note channel. See you guys down there. Look at Lambros, baby, taking out his ride. Vroom, vroom. Go ahead, man, hit it. What, are you scared to go past 5 grand? It's cold right now.
Hey, it's my dad. What's up, bro? How are you? I haven't seen you. Did you just get
It's a
here?
VW kit. Hey, you know we're dedicated. 300 degrees, and we still out here wiping them down, baby. That's dedication we got, baby. That's dedication we got.
Oh, this thing's nasty.
Yeah, that's all right. It happens. I'm tired of hearing Italian revs. I need some American muscle revs here, brother. Come on. Huh?
I got it for you.
I want to hear them things. Against the wall and hit it hard. That's how you do it, baby. No time. The crowd, baby. Look at the crowd. Check out that thing right there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Guys, it looks like disaster strikes, unfortunately. Not a good thing. Some McLarens back here, back down the way, down the street there, smashed into each other. So, I don't know if there's another one as well, too. Out here on
Water?
this
Yeah, water.
I don't have water. Who's hit? Which one? This car?
I'm not exactly sure.
Oh man.
I think it's 4 cars total the accident. I was in the lead car and 1 car hit behind me. The last car hit the car.
You okay, bro? You good, man?
I'm alright. My wife hit her
Your wife okay?
What's with you guys?
Oh man, it sucks, man.
Yeah.
Remember, I got a 4-door. I got 4 seats.
I mean, I think the car
It's drivable, man. It's 100% drivable.
I mean, I just gotta get this off the
Listen,
ground.
you just got custom rally work, bro.
Custom rally work. Looks like our carbon fiber bumper is officially done. The lights are done.
Exhaust,
the sensor is
maybe.
done. The
Maybe.
exhaust is done.
Rear panel behind the bumper probably too.
And underneath the underbelly,
your
if you guys
5
can
mile
see
per hour
here,
bumper guard.
that one is done as well. That's actually sitting on the ground. But I don't think I'm leaking any fluids or anything, so that's the positive.
It looks like no body too. It's just like the rear lower bumper. Was that? Is that what the McLaren?
What?
The McLaren's front end was. Is that what hit you?
Yeah,
The green one.
Yeah. So the car behind hit him.
Yeah.
He pushed him into me.
Yeah, I saw. Well, drive hard, play hard, get hit hard. Sucks.
Oh, okay. Bro.
What happened?
Bro, look at my back end.
God. No, you gotta get a new plate. The Berlinetta is destroyed.
Yeah, all messed
Oh
up.
my god.
Wow. I thought carbon fiber was indestructible.
So we're leaking something. Not exactly sure. It's oil for
Yeah, it's
sure.
oil.
But I don't know where it's coming
The
from.
differentials back there.
You can see the oil kind of starting to collect down here.
Isn't that the?
So we're in trouble, guys.
I don't know on this one.
Behind
I
the
know
tank?
mine, but I know the differential's like right down there.
Mad attacks down. It's kind of a walk if I go all the way down there. I don't want to leave my car here running. I mean, I'm in Miami. I hate somebody hop in my car and take off, you know. It's kind of blocked in, so they couldn't really take off anyway. But the McLaren is down here. 2 of them. All the way down there in the end. See, all the way down there. The green one. I know my lens doesn't zoom that far. But it looks like the gray one like smashed him hard from behind, and then the green one hit Mad Attack's Huracan in the front, and it looks like he's got a little bit of damage too. But the green one got a little bit of front end and rear end damage, but that gray one is like he hit really hard in the front. His whole front end was smashed in when I passed by. It's a bit of a hike. You want to hike down there, man? Let's go. We're gonna go down there.
Almost.
Yeah.
It felt like a few cars hit us. Not exactly sure what to do. I'm pretty sure I'm leaking oil, so the car probably has to get towed. And then I don't know exactly where the car is going to go. Maybe Prestige. At least that's where we were going.
Yeah, Prestige might be able to.
Hey, we're not going to miss lunch.
We're not gonna miss lunch.
We're not going to miss
Hey,
lunch.
you guys can just hop in with me if you want. I mean, I'm the one with the 4 seats, so with no
Yeah.
pilots, so no co-pilots.
We'll figure it out. We're going to go check out the damage on the other cars.
Might have to help this guy out. We'll see.
What is going on over there, but guys, so here we are. Ralph's car is not looking good. I smell differential oil.
Oh, I smell everything.
Oh, you can see it on the ground too.
Wow. You guys believe this? Man, he hit real hard. Ouch.
Ralph's car is 100 LP. Not looking very good.
Yeah, these guys hit smash real hard. This is horrible. This is where it hit Matt's Lambo because he got bumped from behind. right here.
This one's total.
This one's, both of them are.
Yeah.
For sure.
Both of the McLarens.
Rear end damage is pretty bad. Dang, look at this one, man. He's got rear diff fluid everywhere. I smell tranny and diff fluid together. They're both out. Oof.
Bumper.
Bags, airbags deploy. Oh, this one's completely. That's not fixable. Wouldn't think so.
This is a 600 LT.
Yeah, it might still be fixable because of cost money-wise.
Wow.
600 LT down, man. 570S
It's just
down.
got beautiful black.
Lamborghini Huracan down. Big money. Big money, man. That sucks. Insurance, who knows what's gonna happen with these.
All the clothes,
Owners. Everybody's all right, man. You guys are all good though. Like not injured, golden, right? Everyone.
No, they're
You good though? You didn't get hurt though, did you? You didn't get hurt or nothing, did you? You didn't get hurt, did you? Just my neck a little bit. You good? I don't leave these guys be, man. They got a lot to take care of over there. Head back towards the car. Sucks for those guys, man. Start the morning off like that, just when we're about to head to lunch over at Prestige Import. Sorry, my brain's elsewhere thinking about these guys stuck here and stranded. I asked him to see if he wanted a ride. I don't know. We'll see. Then I got room in my car. If he needs to get, he at least wants to get over there and figure it out from there. But I think they're gonna have to wait anyway for cops, and you got to make a police claim if insurance gets involved. I'm pretty sure. I guess I don't know how it works, but it sucks for those guys, man. We're just gonna have to head up that way and just kind of move on. And I guess it's all part of the rally. Things happen. Sucks it was here, and the downfall is it's on these small streets where it was trafficy when we were driving, and you know the speeds weren't even that high, believe it or not. So I guess we just happened to hit the car, just couldn't stop in time. We were just so too close to each other. So I don't know what happened, but that sucks, man. Well, we'll go back to car, figure it out from there, man. Anyway, guys, stay with us. We'll be over Prestige Import soon. Check out some cars I got in the showroom there, have some lunch, and we'll finish the day off shortly. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you shortly. Well, guys, I got to play catch up to the group. I left them back there. They're going to be okay. They're going to get towed. I guess they're going to have to rent another car. They got buddies here. So if they needed help, I told them to call me back. I'll come back there and help them out. But either way, we're downtown right now. I got to play catch up with everybody. I mean, got a pretty little downtown when you're in here, so heading straight towards Prestige Import. It's gonna be lunchtime soon, so I gotta get there and eat. I'm gonna be starving if I don't get there in time. So we're gonna get out there, check out some nice cars. And it's not too far, it's about 14 miles away, so we'll get there, hop on the highway. It won't be no scenic route this time, so because most everybody's out in that direction right now. So we're gonna go out there, Prestige Imports. I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, we just got here. Some of these guys are pulling in. About to get up there, park, eat some lunch, so we'll be up in there shortly. Well, here we are, baby. Of course, as always, in good fashion, Prestige, as always, got some dime pieces in the showroom. You can see the Pagani's right up in there through the windows. Everybody's parked up. Let's find some parking. Get some parking, get some food, check out some cars, so you guys get to come on with me inside. Alright guys, join me in the Prestige. You never been here? This place is amazing. Check this out.
Hello,
what's up guys?
Hello, how are you?
Yes, how you doing?
Welcome.
How you doing, Johnny?
Jim, nice to meet you.
Richard? We got Pagani excuse me, Bugatti right here. I'm not gonna sell the car. Got another Bugatti right here. Nice Anarchy wheels. Guys, this showroom is just amazing. These guys have so many hypercars in here. It's just beyond me, but that's how Miami rolls, man. Hypercars. So you just got a supercar, you gotta get a hypercar out here. Another Bugatti. I'm just gonna go around the outer part so far. They got plenty in the center stack as well too. So I don't want to shout that. Somebody might be one in the comments on the video chat to mom this is. A nice Audi R8 V10. Nice black hat. And here's some special dime piece over here. Oh, look at this end. And before we go to this one on the other side, check out the countach. Countach right here, man. Cannonball Run. I know, tell them my age, but Cannonball Run movie, that was it. I was a little kid with that poster on my wall, so these things are beautiful. Check out this. Well, it's a Zonda. See, I get these. These subtle details, the differences, it's hard to figure out which one's which. They're all Pagani's and they're so beautiful. Artwork. Model cars, nice. Got Ford GT black lane showroom. Man, people are already selling these, huh? They ain't keeping them. Interior, carving all inside, just looks absolutely gorgeous. See them bending the window in there. And that speaker back there. These guys are racing on the road. Nice, so beautiful. Pagani's are definitely one of my favorite cars in the world. This thing is so gorgeous, man. There's a couple more, little more rare ones over here. Check out this yellow one. It's nice. Look at the roof scoop. Nice. Cards on there. Carbon fiber splitter. Carbon fiber splitter. Just gorgeous cars. Gorgeous cars. I'd love to go for a ride with them. Look at that interior. The seats are covered right now. The floorboard's covered. That's right. Got the paint in the middle. Got 458 Italia. 720S. 918. GT2 RS, another 918, another GT2 RS, SVJ, 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 SVJ. 4 SVJs in the back. This place is bonkers. Bonkers. You guys ever in Miami and you like supercars, hypercars? There's not too many places you can come and see this many hypercars in one room. Just ridiculous, man. Beautiful showroom. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna enjoy. I'm gonna go eat some lunch. I got a little spread for us. Let's go check out the spread. Check this out. It's cool, man. Got some lunch, got some salad, pasta, got a couple sandwiches. Everybody's hanging out. It's gonna be a good time, guys. Appreciate you. I'll be back. Got everybody.